In this review, we will be discussing in detail about the best smart bike lock available in the market today. This list was created based on my viewpoints as well as the cost situation in the market. So whether you need best smart bike lock, this list will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Buying Guide presents Top 5 Best Smart Bike Lock. Let's get started!
Purchasing the perfect product for your usage is our topmost priority. We aim to give away our best guidelines for you, the viewers only, so you won't hesitate or get confused while selecting the products from the market. Thanks for staying with us.
Number 5. West Biking Folding Bike Lock. Strong alloy steel, foldable and space saving, upgrade lock cylinder, reinforced riveting design. Comes with an easy to install bike lock mount, 3 laser cut alloy keys, waterproof design high class stainless steel key, zinc alloy with special ABS material, wear resistant and anti-pressure. Number 4. ABUS Bordeaux Light 6050 Folding Bike Lock. ABUS Security Level 7 out of 15. Super neat folding design. Rubber coated to protect your bike. Light and easy to use. Neat carrying bracket. Hard to cut or burst. Light 85 cm long folding lock to secure your bike to solid objects. 5 mm thick bars and housing made from specially hardened steel. Plastic coated bars protect from damages to the paintwork. High protection from manipulations like picking. Number 3. CD Lock Foldy Lock Compact Folding Bike Lock. Top rated lightweight compact bike lock. Reliable and trusted protection. Patented ultra-secure heavy-duty anti-theft technology. Premium frame mount and lock for a quiet ride. High overall construction quality. And reliable locking mechanism. A rubber coating keeps your frame from being damaged while in use. A portable bike lock case mounts the Foldy lock to most bike frames when not in use. Hardened steel links are combined with ultra-protected rivets to resist cutting and sawing from would-be thieves. Number 2. Via Velo Bike U-Lock with cable. Extra spare key. 3-year warranty. Double locking mechanism. Durable all-weather protection. Easy and strong to lock your bike. Simply installing bracket on your bike. Included mounting bracket for easy lock storage. Mounting bracket comes with an anti-slip pad. Lock cover protects the keyhole against debris. It is cheaper compared to its quality. You will get a BMW at the cost of a Toyota. Number 1. Masterlock 8143D Bike Lock. Incredible construction through quality materials. Reasonable length and diameter. Induces sturdiness. Self-coiling design allows quick pack-off and storage. 4-digit combination initiates a keyless operation. Cable flexibility offers resistance to cutting, sawing. Bike cable lock with combination. Is best used as a bicycle lock to secure. Cable bike lock features a set-your-own combination 4-digit combination lock. Bike lock cable is 6 feet 18 meters long and
If you watched our videos, please don't forget to like and share our videos so that others can get benefit from it. For more updates and notifications, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.